everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and today I am coming to you from my living room floor where I'm going to be tackling organizing all of my stationery. I live in a pretty small apartment and I don't have an office or a desk, so this is going to be small living organization. I currently have all my stationery in this drawer here, and this is one of the drawers that I took from a set of stacking plastic drawers that I use for storage elsewhere in my house. And as you will see, this is not organized in any way possible, which makes it very difficult to find anything I'm looking for. We've got pencil cases, more pencil cases, Ziploc bags of markers, yes, stacks of paper, another pencil case, ruler, pencil crayons, it goes on. Since the other drawers that go with this one are already being used for other storage purposes, I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found this one here for $10. I fully sanitized when I got it home, so don't worry about that. And I'm going to be using all of these drawers for the organization today. Then I went over to Dollar Tree to try and find some inexpensive storage solutions, and I thought I was being pretty smart. I measured these drawers before I went, I wrote down the dimensions, I brought a measuring tape, and then I forgot to bring the dimensions with me and had to completely guess which things to buy. So I think we did pretty well, but here's what I got. I got 3 of these, which are a rectangular plastic storage container. These are all 3 of those. I thought these could be used for pens or pencils or washi tape, that kind of thing. And then I got one larger one like this. So if you put these next to each other, they're the same length, but obviously this one here is a lot wider. I also went on Amazon and I was looking for a large pencil case that I could use to put all my markers and brush pens and that kind of thing in. And I found this one here, which has a beautiful cactus pattern, and I just love the colors. It has a zipper that goes all the way around. When you open it up, it has all these flaps with elastic sections to put all of the pens in. I think I'm gonna start with putting all the pens I want to put into here, so then I can see what's left and maybe what I need to put into the containers. I've got my bag of markers here, very organized, I know, and I'm going to sort through them by color as best I can, and then load them up into here and see how we do. My first impression is this elastic here is very tight, which is probably good for keeping these in place. And it looks like you can probably fit 2 of these Crayola markers per elastic. I fit 18 Crayola markers in this first section here. I found another green one. Okay, do I try to fit it in here? This is the test to see if these elastics can handle 3 markers. Hey, we got it. So I don't know if I recommend that, but it does fit. I'm now going to put my Tombow brush pens in here. It looks like 2 of these fit in one of these elastics nicely as well, so that's good. Now for my mild liner highlighters. And these are my Muji 0.38 pens. I have them in lots of colors, and I mostly use the black, but I do really like these pens. These 2 Tombow brush pens are some of my favorites. They're the Tombow Fudineschi brush pens, and one of them has a hard tip and one has a soft tip, which makes it really easy for brush lettering. These Staedtler fine liners were the very first thing I bought after I got my first bullet journal. So I've had them for about 2.5 years now. I've had them in this case since I got them, which has been really handy and I really like it. But I'm going to transfer them to this case just to keep everything together. I have these brush pens here that were gifted to me by Paper House. So I'm going to take them out of this package and put them into this case. I still have a couple spaces on this section and then 2 full other sections here, but I think I'm going to close it up for right now. I'm going to use one of these containers from Dollar Tree and line it with my washi tape and stickers and erasers, and we'll see what else we can fit. I'm taking my stash of washi tapes and stickers and piling them into this container here. And this is another reason why it is so helpful to be organized, because I clearly keep buying white erasers when I don't need them. These are some beautiful rose gold paper clips that I often use as little decorations in my videos. I'm trying to figure out what to put in this other container I have here, and I'm deciding between pens, like ballpoint pens that I didn't include in my pencil case, or pencils. And the problem is I have a lifetime supply of both, really. I mean, this is only a fraction what I can hold in my hands, but I don't think a person really needs this many pens. So I do know they all work because I tested them all a couple of months ago, but I think I'm gonna go through them and just chuck whatever ones I don't love. You know, we're gonna Marie Kondo the ballpoint pens. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this bag, which is full of even more pens, which is proof that I really do need to go through and get rid of as many as possible. Okay, these are my 2 piles of pens here, and I think I did pretty well because this is the throwaway pile and this is the keep pile. Not bad, right? I'm gonna put these ones in this container here. And now they will all be super easy to find. Next on the list of things I own way too many of is pencils. Yeah, I actually do use pencils all the time, but I cannot imagine a world where I am going to go through all of these pencils, including the ones that are on the floor. But it just feels so wrong to throw out a pencil, you know? What's the strategy here? Okay, I'm gonna start with getting rid of all of my mechanical pencils, because I don't know, it's possible that I have not tried a good mechanical pencil, but these kind of generic ones that feel like they're gonna fall apart at any moment, I'm just not into them. I don't like them. You know, the tip always breaks off, the eraser always falls out. No, get out of here. Besides the couple of mechanical pencils that I'm getting rid of, I decided to keep all of these pencils because it just seems weird to throw out a pencil. I don't know. So I'm gonna put all of these in here. I do want to go through all of these at some point and sharpen them all so they're ready to go, but for now we'll just put these in here like that. Okay, I think I changed my mind on the pencil front here because I really don't need all of these pencils easily accessible. So I'm going to put the pencils into this pencil case here, and then I'm going to fill this with pencil crayons. I'm also going to put some of my spare erasers in here because I don't need access to all these erasers at one time. We'll just leave one. And then I'll take one pencil out and put it in with the pens. I'm gathering up all of my pencil crayons and I'm going to put them in this container here. In this little container, I'm also going to put some whiteout, which I definitely need easy access to at all times when bullet journaling. And I have a little pencil sharpener here. I'm going to start loading some stuff into the drawers here just to see where we're at. Starting with this pencil case, this is full of some of the things I probably use the most, which are all of the markers. So I'm gonna put this in the top drawer. It fits. I am pretty proud of that because I didn't measure the pencil case before I ordered it, and that fits perfectly. In the next drawer, I'm going to put all of these little containers with the pens and pencils and erasers and all that stuff. In the bottom drawer, I'm going to put this container here, and I'm going to fill it with my stickers and with my circle maker, and I think I'm also going to include my external hard drives along with the cords. I have shared these stickers before, but these are from Speedia Design, and I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna put these in here. And then I'm also going to take my circle maker, which you will have seen me use to make a couple of circular habit trackers in my bullet journal before. Then we have some tape. I'll also put this external hard drive in here, along with the cord and some whiteout tape. I think that's all for this bin for right now. But before I put this into the bottom drawer here, I'm going to get my paper. I have so much lined paper, plain paper, colored paper. I think I'm just gonna put this into the bottom drawer. I've got all this paper in here, and then I'm gonna put this container here right on top. I also have this pencil case that I filled with pencils earlier, so I'm going to pop that in right next to this container. I also have all of these colored pens, which are kind of like crayons, but they're called twistables. I think I'm gonna just load all of these into this pencil case here and then pop that into the empty space in this bottom drawer. This is what the final setup looks like. That is where I was sitting before, but I moved the TV back to where it belongs. And as you can see, we just had this small space here to work with, and luckily this drawer set fit perfectly in here. In the top drawer, we have this pencil case, which I'm super happy with and fit all my markers and brush pens really well. Then in the second drawer, we've got the container with all of the pens and a couple of pencils, all the pencil crayons, and then my washi tape, stickers, whiteout. And the bottom drawer has a pencil case full of all the extra pencils, and then this pencil case has all of those twistable crayons. And in this container here, we've got some more stickers, tape, my circle maker, and some external hard drives. There we have it, all of the stationery all organized and in its place. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I organized all of my stationery, and I hope it inspired you to get organized as well. And if you have any tips for organizing your stationery and bullet journaling supplies, then please leave it in the comments below. Be sure to check the description box for links to everything I've showed in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you next time.